We're going to take a short position here. Got our fill on the 6E contract, Euro FX futures contract. We'll go for an 8 tick profit target here. Each tick is $12.50, but we're going for 8 ticks, so that's $100 per contract. As you can see in the middle here, we are 10 contracts short. So we'll go for a $1,000 profit target. What we're looking at here is our weekly review market analysis here, and if you happen to watch that, we were going to determine whether or not to take a trade here at the top. It looks like we have a nice signal here at our resistance line, and so that's the reason for taking this trade. Now we go into a lot more detail on our webinars, which are Tuesday and Thursday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. But you can see from here I'm using a lot of support resistance, I'm using a lot of trend line analysis, and I'm using price action, volatility. That's really the keys to this. We do have a few indicators we use, but those really help you gauge volatility and quality of signal. After doing a trade a few million times, you begin to just have a understanding of volatility and the strength of signal without even looking at the indicators. But in the beginning, you always want to use indicators to help you guide your way through. And we set you up with those indicators as well. Alright, back to our trade, which is virtually doing nothing. I'm using NinjaTrader here. You can see I set up an automatic bracket. We're wanting the market to go down, so that's where you see the green bracket at the bottom, 8 ticks from the brown cube, which is our average fill, and then our stop is at the red bar at the top here. Alright, finally making a move here. A bit of a lengthy trade. I usually prefer them to finish up a little quicker than this, but it looks like this thing is rolling over fairly nice. I'm fairly confident we're going to hit our profit target here, so we're not going to pull out early. We're going to let this thing just do what it needs to do. But this has every indication of rolling over, so we'll keep it right here. We won't do a thing. Just sit and watch. So I don't have a whole lot of dialogue or narrative to give you right now other than just watch price. Now our trading rooms do trade, as I mentioned earlier, Monday through Friday from 3 a.m. Eastern Standard, which is New York time, to 12 noon. We do that every day. We have traders calling your entries and exits, so it gives very little room for error. You get in when we tell you, you get out when we tell you. So use the risk management that we teach in the course material and apply it in the market, and our traders show you how to apply that. It's really the only way to learn how to trade. I know a lot of people try this on their own. Very few people can learn how to do this on their own, period. And it's not that you can't understand indicators and technical analysis. That's not it at all. Anyone can do that. It's the risk management and the fear and the psychology of trading that kills everybody. It's being scared, essentially. Oh, here we go, getting filled and filled and filled and more filled. Just 2 contracts and we're out. Alright, well, we hit our 1,000. Pretty long trade there. So I guess we'll wrap it up. We'll wrap it up for today, and good way to start the week, and we'll see everybody tomorrow.